Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the card back on Marvel Snap, of course, of your deck on Marvel Snap. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and download Marvel Snap if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to actually go and log in into your account after opening your application. And of course, if you don't have an account, all you need to do just go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. Then, of course, let me just go here and open my Marvel Snap application, as you should, of course, or I already did, if you want to follow the tutorial steps correctly. Sorry, it just stopped, so let me just open it again. And while it's opening, of course, if you want to play the Snap Marvel game on your phone, sorry, not on your phone, just go download this, as we said, from Play Store and from App Store, maybe, or any other store you could be possibly using. But if you want to play it on your PC, you will find a video on this channel on how to do that. So make sure to go and check this channel out, and you will find a video there on how to play Marvel Snap on your PC. So of course, just go check it out, and let's just wait for this game until it's opened, so we can actually show you how to change the back of your card deck. So let's just wait a bit more. It will open soon. So let me just cut the record maybe until it's opened, right? So here we are. That will actually be our home or our main screen. And all we need to do, just go here to the collection on the left of the main option right here. And here, let's just wait until it loads. It's kind of laggy. So as you can see, if you want to change the back of your deck cards, all you need to do, just go and click at your deck right here. And from here, you'd like to click at the three lines at the top right corner. And from here, click at this middle one, which is like a snap card back. And here you can actually change it to whatever you want. So of course, let's say as an example, I want this one. All I need to do, just click at equip. And as you can see, now it's changed. And we'll need to hit this check mark at the top right corner. And we are good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.